this nail art tutorial, I'm going to be showing you 5 different super easy nail art designs that are perfect for beginners to nail art. If you like this nail art video, then hit that like button down below. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss any new videos and updates. And let me know down in the comments which of these 5 designs is your favorite. And now let's get started. So the first nail art design is an ombre design. Ombre is like shading, so that looks really cool and super easy to do. And before beginning, we need to cut a thin stripe of the makeup sponge. This is the makeup sponge I'm using here. Now paint parallel horizontal stripes of each of your colors side by side on the surface of makeup sponge like this, and lightly tap the sponge onto the nail. You can reapply the polish to sponge as needed. Here, as you're tapping the sponge, move it slightly up and down to blur the area where the colors meet. You can repeat this step until you have built the ombre to your desire. Use a cotton swab dipped in a nail polish remover to clean the surrounding skin. And finish the look with a glossy top coat for a perfect shine. So here are your ombre nails. You can experiment with other shades also, and they look so pretty. So the second nail art design is an emoji design. Emoji nails look really trendy and they are fun, cute and fashionable. Here I'll be using this nail tattoo liner from Essence. So begin by painting your nails yellow. So we will make a circle here and create 2 dots with this tattoo liner which will represent eyes. Then make a smile shape below the eyes. Same way, you can fill your nail with smileys. For this nail, we will make a shape like less than sign in maths and complete the design with putting dots like this. This is, I'm sure, is the simplest one. Just make a straight line like this and then cut the line in pieces. Here we'll be making 2 different sizes of triangles and we will fill it with black. So for thumbnail, again make 2 triangles that partially overlap. Here are your emoji nail art design. Isn't it looking pretty? A must try for all the beginners out there. Very easy and yet looks so cute. So the third nail art is stone nail art. You can decorate your nails with these colorful art stones. Here are your gorgeous wedding nails. So we will begin by painting half nail with glitter nail polish and half with red polish. Make sure you apply double coat of glitter polish. So now I'm going to apply glue on the nails and then pick up this little tiny silver gem. Drop the stone on the glue and just dab that a bit. Here I'm directly applying the glue on nails. You can use a toothpick. If you don't want to use glue to stick these crystals, then you need to apply top coat on nails and then stick these stones directly on that. The latest trend in nail art is stone nails. A must try. So go for this classic red with some stone art. Here comes your Valentines nails. Special day, special you, and so are your nails. With a white base and red heart, nothing says Happy Valentine's Day quite like this. So to make these little heart, you need to take a pencil and make 3 dots like this. Blend these dots in heart shape and that's it. This is going to make your heart beat super fast. Just kidding. This is how you can make love heartbeat nail art. Again make a heart between these heartbeat. This is the simplest one. All you need is a tattoo liner and just write down anything you want. For thumbnail, take a toothpick and make such dots and then write down anything with tattoo liner. So these unexpectedly adorable nail art design is the perfect way to stand out on your Valentine's Day. And last but not the least, here is dot nail art. You'll not be needing any of the dotting tools here. All you need is a toothpick. So for this, begin with applying the base nail polish of your choice. Make sure you keep the colors besides you like this, so you don't need to reopen nail polish bottles again and again. Here, if you don't have a dotting tool, or like if you don't have toothpick, then you can use a pin or a tip of a pen, also work here. Let your nail design set for about 5 minutes and then you can coat it with any of the top coat. Dot nail art is fun, easy and looks great. It will turn your simple nail polish into a classy one. Here is the finished look. So this is it for today. I hope you liked today's video and do consider subscribing. I'll see you all soon in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.